Now this might ruffle a few feathers, but if I'm completely honest, I prefer Pepsi to Coke. Regardless, I'll still probably ask for a Coke at a pub, because I know there's a decent chance I'll end up with Pepsi. Asking for a Coke just feels more natural, in the same way that we call all plastic storage containers Tupperware, or any vacuum a Hoover. Over time, the names of leading brands become synonymous with the product they represent, largely because of their reputation, and that's where things get interesting with Scotch. In some parts of the world, adhesive tape goes by the name of Scotch, a brand deeply rooted in 3M and known for its legacy of strength and reliability. But Scotch isn't just tape, it's also this, and trust me, this has a very different legacy. Both reputations are strong, but while Scotch tape is known for its durability and reliability, the only thing durable about Scotch whisky is a stinking hangover it'll leave you with the next day. I suppose it is reliable though, if you've been searching for the perfect way to ruin your best mate's wedding toast. At Preston Technical, we take Scotch tape's legacy and stick with what matters. Reliability, precision, and bespoke solutions for industries that can't afford failure. It's not just about sticking things together, it's about keeping your processes moving, your timelines on track, and your reputation intact. Scotch whisky does have its uses, if you're after an excuse to inhale a doner kebab at 3 AM, but it can't hold an aerospace panel together, reduce inefficiencies on a production line, or eliminate waste in high-pressure environments. That's why we focus on adhesive solutions that don't just stick, they deliver. From aerospace to automotive and beyond, our bespoke tapes are designed for industries where reliability isn't optional. For adhesive solutions built to stick where it matters, visit prestontechnical.co.uk. And as for the other Scotch, we'll leave that for the pub.